आज जो शेयर करना है आपसे टॉपिक वो है स्पिरिचुअल लॉज ऑफ यूनिवर्स। अच्छा, इससे पहले मैं आपसे एक स्टोरी शेयर करूंगा। एडवर्ड लॉन्स एक अमेरिकन साइंटिस्ट था एंड ही वाज अमेरिकन साइंटिस्ट एंड वो बेसिकली जो फोरकास्ट वेदर पे अपनी रिसर्च कर रहा था। अच्छा, 1961 में एडवर्ड लॉन्स ने एक अपना थीसिस पब्लिश किया। अच्छा, जब उसका थीसिस पब्लिश हुआ आफ्टर हिज आर्टिकल मेटाफिजिकल वर्ल्ड में और स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड में और इसके अलावा जो अब फिलॉसफी में और साइकोलॉजी में एक कयास क्रिएट हो गया। उसने अपने थीसिस में एक ऐसी स्टेटमेंट दे दी कि जिसने मेटाफिजिकल वर्ल्ड में कयास क्रिएट कर दिया। और यकीन जानिए कि उसकी इस जो थ्योरी थी वो आज भी कयास थ्योरी के नाम से जानी जाती है। वो स्टेटमेंट क्या थी कि जिसने मेटाफिजिकल वर्ल्ड को बदल के रख दिया। बॉटम लाइन स्टेटमेंट जो थी, उसने कहा that a flip of butterfly wing in Brazil can cause a tornado in Texas। ये एक बहुत बड़ी स्टेटमेंट थी। इसकी क्या इंटरप्रिटेशन है, इसका क्या मतलब था? इसका मतलब ये था, वो ये कहना चाह रहा था that any minute event of your life, of your thought, of your action can drastically change the universe। और उसकी लाइव एग्जाम्पल आज हम इस नुक्ताचीनी में देख रहे हैं। ये एक दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ वन थॉट। ये टीम का एक थॉट है कि जिसने एक ड्रास्टिक यूनिवर्स में चेंजेस को क्रिएट किया है और हम सबको यहाँ पे इकट्ठा कर दिया। इसको आगे हम अगर फर्दर एनालाइज करें तो इसका फर्दर जो इंटरप्रिटेशन है वो क्या है, आप हैरान होंगे दैट whenever you harmonize yourself with the laws of universe, what will happen? The unmanifest part of personality will start to manifest। जो आपका अनमैनिफेस्ट पार्ट है आपकी पर्सनैलिटी का, वो मैनिफेस्ट होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, वो मैनिफेस्ट करना शुरू कर जाएगा दुनिया में। एंड द ओपनिंग सेंटेंस यहां पे ये है, whenever unmanifest of any personality start to manifest, this is called creativity। This is creativity। So the opening sentence of today spiritual laws of universe, I will start from creativity। What is creativity? First is competition and comparison kills the creativity। Whenever you are in any competition or in any comparison, you are against the creativity of your ego। The whole nature is at practice without any competition and without any comparison। Sun has no any competition with moon। Flowers, tulip has no any competition with rose। Earth has no any competition with other galaxies। What is happening, you know what is happening in reality? Every creation of universe is manifesting its pure potential। So remember, you all have pure potentials in yourself, which is your true self, which is your true identity, for which you people are here on earth। So here one point, remember one thing, You are the part of grand creation plan of universe. You all are the part of grand creation plan of universe. And you must have to manifest yourself for the completion of universe. When you will manifest yourself, you will be living spiritual being. And remember another thing, your talents, your abilities and your qualities, your pure potential is not your property. This is universal property. This is the property of universe. This is the property of nature. You cannot even claim its ownership. It belongs to nature. What is demanding? That you must recognize your property, you must recognize your pure potential, you must recognize your talent, grow it, acknowledge it and manifest it in the world. Remember that without manifestation of your pure talent, pure potential, we are dead. Human being is dead. And all the creation of universe is by default manifesting its pure potential. Rose is just manifesting its pure potential. Tulip is manifesting its pure potential. Sun is manifesting its pure potential. So you all have to recognize your pure potential of pure ego. And always remember that share your pure potential with the universe. Universe want to share yourself with you, and universe want to share you with himself. Remember, whatever you have, share it with the universe. Whatever you have, share it with the universe. And sharing is like multiplicity, multiplication, while division is like to create the multiples. And this is the law of oneness. Second law of oneness. When you share your potential, pure potential in the universe, you harmonize with the law of oneness. And this is beautiful law of oneness. We all are connected with the universe. When we share ourselves with the universe, our potentials with the universe, we become the living being, part of universe. This is true life of ego, true human being. And the third law of universe is the most important, interesting law. And it states that always keep yourself in the zone of easiness. Always keep yourself in the zone of easiness. We have always heard about work hard, work hard, work hard. Nature does not want, or nature does not want to seek you in hard work. Try to understand the difference of love work and hard work. There is a great difference between love work and hard work. Remember that when you are harmonized with the law of easiness, you are in peace. Your hard work will shift into love work and struggle will go away. You do not need struggle to achieve any goal in the universe. You just have to harmonize yourself with the easiness. As the whole universe is manifesting its pure potential with easiness. Just see that grass does not struggle to grow, it just grows. Sun does not struggle to shine, it just shines. Moon does not struggle to shine, it shines. Galaxies does not struggle to spin, Earth does not struggle to spin, it just spins. So when you harmonize yourself with the pure potential, you manifest yourself, and this is only possible when you will keep yourself in the zone of easiness. You may be struggling, you may be putting a lot of effort in it, but at the same time you will be at peace too. This is the point of your soul where you are really connected with the ultimate ego, where you are really connected with the universe, where you are really the part of universe. All other are the fake identities to us. So be real to yourself. This is very important. Universe needs you. Universe want to manifest you. She really needs you. Nature really needs you. She is waiting for you to manifest. When you will manifest, she will welcome you. She will create a lot of changes in the universe that you will see that your manifestation will be acknowledged by the universe and nature will be thankful to you. So there are many other laws, actually 7 laws of universe. So I will discuss only 3 laws because shortage of time. Thank you very much. Inshallah next time I will be here for you.